Today we are making Jadui Kadha. This kadha can be used for any kind of virals and it is perfect for fever, cold, cough, body aches, headaches. I've taken 1 cup of water. In this water I'm putting 10 very super ingredients. What are they? We are putting gulver ya giloy ke patte, papite ke patte, lemon grass, ginger, tulsi, adul saab, dalchini, pepper and clove. Now we will let this 1 glass of water boil and become half a cup. Once this becomes half a cup, then you simply strain it and add some gur in this, mix it and you can drink this concoction at least 2 to 3 times a day when you're not well and you'll be perfectly fine. Your immune system will get a fabulous boost. Thank you and happy healing.